The grind never stops. The pressure never relents. In the crucible of industry, where every cycle tests endurance and every environment demands defiance, ordinary equipment fails. Settling for good enough is the first step toward breakdown. You require a partner engineered for the extreme, a force as relentless as your ambition. This is the new standard of toughness. This is TUFF Hydraulic Services. In the relentless heart of every sector, from sprawling construction sites and fertile agricultural fields to the most demanding industrial plants, equipment is pushed to its absolute limit. The environment is the ultimate adversary, corrosive, punishing, and unforgiving. At TUFF Hydraulic Services, we are the antidote to compromise. We don't just do the service, we fortify it. We are the single source for unstoppable hydraulic hose power. Our pledge: precision, power, proven. You've searched for strength, you've demanded durability. Now, discover the source, beyond the ordinary. On the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, Ballito Shakaskral, lies the standard for the unstoppable offering superior. Hydraulic mastery, from custom hose fabrication and precision crimping to complete system diagnostics. We deliver plug-and-play reliability. Our work ensures every connection holds, every cycle completes, and every machine operates with unwavering certainty. We deliver operational confidence, the simplicity to deploy, the quality to endure, and the sheer toughness to ensure one thing: your job gets done. Period. Welcome to TUFF Hydraulic Services, the pulse of your productivity. Contact our dedicated sales team today to discover your tailored turnkey hydraulic solution. We look forward to partnering with you and helping you make the resilient, reliable choice. The tough choice.